Welcome to the world of technology and perfection. Today we will explore the most amazing production lines and machines. Starting with SU Springworks, the masters of mechanical spring manufacturing. With the ability to custom hot and cold wind, they not only create perfect springs but also perform wire stamping, metal drawing, and sophisticated water jet cutting services. What makes them special is their ability to produce giant coils up to 36 inches in diameter and up to 7 inches in free length, a feat of engineering excellence. SU Springworks' art of hot winding is renowned for its great flexibility and top quality, ensuring that every product is perfect down to the last detail. They not only prioritize quality, but also quickly respond to rush orders and flexibly adjust quantities to suit your needs. At SU Springworks, you will find the perfect combination of top-notch technology and attentive service. TX Inter is one of the leading manufacturers of braiding machines in Russia. With their extensive expertise, they design braiding machines for every application from wire and tape to braiding of precious metals and sophisticated composite materials. These machines are not only specifically designed to meet a wide range of needs, but also ensure optimum precision and performance during operation. The highlight of TX Inter is the TCHM Braider multi-filament software, a powerful tool that turns ideas into reality by creating a detailed 3D representation of the braid structure and accurately calculating its properties. The software demonstrates exceptional proficiency when working with braids, simulating the complete braiding process, optimizing machine settings, and even meticulously arranging colors. With this advanced technology, TX Inter not only opens up unlimited creative potential, but also takes production efficiency to a whole new level. Next, let's come to China RCM, a renowned manufacturer in advanced welding technology. They specialize in small and medium batch welding machines, friction stir welding equipment, friction welding, and provide specialized CNC systems, optimizing the machining and manufacturing process. Their strength lies in their comprehensive service from design to production, ensuring the highest quality. China RCM's products are applied in important fields such as construction, aviation, aerospace, electronics, and high-speed rail. The outstanding technology is rotational friction welding, joining two metal parts by rotating and pressing, creating a strong and precise bond. With absolute reliability, China RCM affirms its pioneering position with optimal welding solutions for industry. SLE Camp, the world leader in heavy-duty precision machining. SLE Camp specializes in large casts and a double injection process, which is notable for its ability to produce castings weighing up to 320 tons. Their foundry is more than just a manufacturing facility. It is one of the largest in the world, known for its cutting-edge technology in foundry, machine building, and nuclear technology. SLE Camp plays a vital role in areas where extreme precision is required. They are experts in the production of safe containers for the transport and storage of radioactive waste, a task that is not only difficult, but also extremely important for the environment and public safety. In addition, they support the decommissioning of nuclear facilities, demonstrating a strong commitment to safety and environmental protection. With a team of talented engineers and modern equipment, SLE Camp is constantly innovating and improving its production capabilities. They are committed to not only meeting, but exceeding customer expectations, delivering reliable products and solutions to the most complex challenges. Discover the power and potential that SLE Camp brings and see the difference they make for the future. At the Electroall Workshop in Vingan, we enter a world of power and cutting-edge technology where the focus is on the production of giant generator shafts, which can weigh up to 80 tons. These shafts are more than just ordinary machine parts. They are created by a perfect combination of sophisticated manufacturing techniques and rigorous processes, which take place in the intense heat and fire inside the electric furnace, where the molten steel reaches 1,700 degrees Celsius. Once the molten steel is ready, it is dropped into a ladle and poured into a casting mold. The exact composition of the steel mixture is a closely guarded secret. Once cooled, the raw ingot is transferred to a large furnace. These furnaces consume a huge amount of fuel, equivalent to the daily gas consumption of a small town. Handling this large volume of molten steel requires extreme care. A small incident, such as a block slipping off the crane arm, can cost millions of euros. That's why crane operators must work with the utmost concentration. Electrowall boasts one of the most advanced freeform forges in the world. The crane's jaws and chains are designed to handle workpieces weighing up to 165 tons. Workers in the control room, protected from excessive heat and noise, direct the crane and tools from a safe distance. Forging the large generator shaft is a meticulous, week-long job. The first step involves shaping a small section of the metal ingot so that it can be more easily handled by the crane. The glowing metal is carefully balanced, and the crane starts rotating it, while the forger controls the manipulator. A large chain system rotates and positions the heavy workpiece. The first task is to stretch the ingot, and a press is used to forge the raw steel to the desired length, applying up to 7 tons of pressure, allowing for precise control of the shaping process. As the pressure is slowly applied, slag escapes from the molten mass, and workers use compressed air to blow away the remaining slag. This process densifies the internal structure of the steel, much like kneading dough, creating a stronger and more elastic metal. The forging team will measure the billet to ensure it is not too long. If the ingot has cooled too much, it is returned to the furnace for reheating. After heating, the slag is removed, and the press head, called a saddle, is replaced. The steel is then pressed and stretched further. Unlike traditional forging, this modern method uses slow, controlled pressure between saddle grooves to shape the billet. This method ensures precision and consistency, 2 important factors in achieving the desired quality for generator shafts. This process is repeated several times, with each round of compressing the steel improving its strength. The quality of the shaft depends heavily on this repeated cycle of forging and reheating. After a half-day rest in the furnace, the crane picks up the large billet for the next stage. This time, the crane operator positions the block vertically, and the press slowly compresses the molten metal downwards, further solidifying the steel. The steel block is returned to a horizontal position for further shaping. The team prepares the tools for a second stretching process, where thousands of tons of pressure are applied to the molten steel, gradually forming it into the desired shape. As production nears its critical stage, the crane must carefully secure and support the large steel block. Every detail is done in perfect synchronization between the crane and the forging team, ensuring that the steel block is positioned precisely throughout the process. In many cases, a single operator is not enough to handle a billet that can be too long, so a forging shaft is brought in to keep the billet stable, preventing it from bending or breaking. Next, workers use oxygen to melt away any cracks or impurities in the steel. However, the billet is still unfinished at both ends of the shaft. Excess material, known as head and toe scrap, needs to be removed. These leftover pieces are sent back to the furnace to be remelted and used for the generator shaft itself. After a final heating stage, the 13-meter-long and 80-ton shaft is immersed in a large tank to harden. Once hardened, the surface is machined to remove up to 14 centimeters of excess steel, creating a completely smooth surface. This machining process is extremely precise, with tolerances down to 0.5 millimeter. SAR-ME produces more than 200 shafts a year for turbines and generators used in power plants or large marine vessels. The average price for a generator shaft is estimated at around 200,000 euros. With such a complex and precise manufacturing process, Electrowall does more than simply produce generator shafts. They are creating technical masterpieces that bring great value to the industry and a sustainable future. Each product is a testament to the commitment to quality, safety, and innovation in manufacturing technology. M30 milling machine. Get ready to be impressed by its capabilities as we reveal each of its incredible details. The M30 is more than just a milling machine. It is a multifunctional machine that can perform a wide range of tasks from turning, drilling, milling to gear cutting and deep hole drilling. Can you imagine? All of these processes are integrated into a single system. This makes machining more efficient, reduces the need for multiple pieces of equipment, and saves space. The M30 boasts a swing capacity of up to 520 millimeters and a maximum machining length of up to 2,000 millimeters, making it a perfect choice for machining medium to large-size parts such as crankshafts. But what really makes this machine stand out is its versatility. It can function as a lathe for basic turning tasks and also as a 5-axis machining center for complex milling and drilling tasks. Yes, you heard right. This capability is crucial for industries that require extremely tight tolerances such as automotive, aerospace, and heavy machinery. Now let's talk about an element that any operator cares about, the coolant system. The M30 is equipped with a high-pressure coolant system of up to 80 bar, which helps control temperatures during high-speed machining and prolongs tool life. This is especially important when drilling deep holes or performing complex milling tasks, ensuring that the surface quality remains perfect. In addition, the machine's built-in measurement system monitors and adjusts in real time, keeping the product within the desired tolerance and minimizing defects. But there's more. The M30's 5-axis machining capabilities allow it to handle complex geometries in a single setup. With no repositioning or additional setup required, you can save time and increase accuracy. The machine can also perform 4 AIS turning, which means that turning operations can take place simultaneously on different sides of the workpiece, an essential element for efficient machining of crankshafts and other complex parts. One of the most notable strengths is the ability to seamlessly transfer workpieces and perform six-sided machining. This means that you can machine workpieces from multiple angles without manual intervention, increasing accuracy and reducing overall production time. The M30 is also equipped with a tool magazine with a capacity of up to 80 tools, which can be upgraded to 120 for the M35. This allows you to perform a variety of tasks without frequent tool changes, keeping the machining process seamless. On the software side, the machine is equipped with an intuitive and easy-to-use control system. Operators can easily navigate through the menu and use automated tools, saving significant time and minimizing complex adjustments. All of this contributes to making the machine simple and efficient to operate. Not to be missed is the intelligent chip management feature. The M30 is designed with a special machine bed, ensuring a smooth flow of chips to the chip conveyor, helping to maintain a clean workspace. The cooling system is also effectively recycled, avoiding dripping and keeping the workspace dry and safe. What could be better than a machine that can provide both performance and convenience like this? And that is why the M30 milling machine has become a gold standard in the field of mechanical processing today. That is the whole overview of the M30 milling machine, a versatile, powerful, and indispensable machine in modern industries. Last but not least, let's explore Formec, a leading UK-based company that designs and manufactures vacuum forming machines for a wide range of applications. Their extensive product range ranges from compact benchtop models to floor-standing machines and large format models with semi-automatic operation. These machines benefit a wide range of industries, including research and development, manufacturing, education, crafts, confectionery, film, and theater. Formec stands out for its budget-friendly and highly adaptable vacuum forming solutions, ensuring they are suitable for a wide range of unique projects and requirements. And that's all we have just introduced about the famous production lines in the world today. Which line has impressed you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on the next exciting content. Until next time, Stay tuned and continue exploring this fascinating world of construction machinery.